Hi, Bruce from Safiery, and we're here at Sunrise Caravans. Let's step inside and come and meet Steve. Sunrise Steve of Sunrise Caravans. Steve, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm well. Now tell me, why did the customer choose this system in this van?
Well, as they're going to be free camping for longer periods of time, they were looking for a system that can run the aircon, as I was saying. Free camp for longer, that's why they went for this system.
Excellent, Steve. Now, he's got really good technology on here. So we've got the whole turbo here. It's all online. On solar there, we've got a ton of solar on the roof. We've got a solar controller up there. The board's all laid out here, all the fusing. And 400 amp hours of our Safiery CANbus battery here. Steve, this is an absolute superb setup, and it's a credit to you.
Thank you, mate.
This customer's taking the gold support so that we can track them every day, 24/7 for a whole year. What's your feeling on that?
Well, that is the most important feature. Customers actually love that, you know.
Thank you, Steve. How good is that?
That's great.